we have a problem. And I want to talk to you about it. And I'm doing it today. So many people are getting sick. There's a virus out there, and there's one thing you must do that is going to significantly help you heal your body quicker and faster. Are you okay in being sick and staying sick? And this one procedure, this one therapy, this one service, many of you are dismissing, many of you are probably not aware of, can literally help you recover and bounce back quicker. And I'm talking about IV vitamin therapy. If you are a busy person, a busy professional, a busy mom, a busy worker, ambitious person, and you don't want to be sick, or you are sick, you want to recover quicker and faster, you must do IV vitamin therapy. And I know that some of you are skeptical, right? It doesn't work. It's painful. I don't know if it's worth the money, like whatever story you are telling yourself that I used to tell myself. That's the story that's keeping you sick and stuck. And as a functional medicine practitioner and an owner of an IV vitamin therapy clinic to help heal people's body diseases, if I see there's a problem, I'm going to bring it to the table. If you want to boost your immune system, you want to stay hydrated, you want to have the energy, you want to get rid of your brain fog, you want beautiful skin, even if you want to lose weight, right? If you want to eliminate, remove chemicals out of your body, toxicities out of your body, the vaccines, any vaccines out of your body, or you feel like there's something missing, you're not bouncing back quicker and faster like you used to, or you don't feel right in your body, I'm not saying the only thing you need to do is IV vitamin therapy, but one of the therapies, one of the service, one of the components to help you bounce back quicker and faster is IV vitamin therapy. And I'm making this video because I'm seeing how many people are getting sick. They have the flu. They don't know there are other therapies out there. Or I'm seeing how people don't feel well and they ended up going to the emergency room, the urgent care, and they are getting upset because they're not being treated right away or properly, or they are being left, sitting in the waiting area for hours because a cold is not an emergency. To you it is, but to the healthcare providers, practitioners at an emergency room, urgent care, to them it's like, okay, we have more people that need our help that are actually dying, like a stroke patients, a heart attack patients, like more serious and severe cases. Your cold is not a priority right now. They have to triage you. But if you're like me, I love staying healthy. I love the way I feel when I have energy, when I have the vitality, the stamina, the brain, the cognitive function, when I am able to maintain my weight, when I'm able to balance my hormones, and I don't have time to be sick, I must do IV vitamin therapy. High dose vitamin C happens to be the #1 treatment for cancer patients, for autoimmune patients, to boost your immune system. And many are not doing that. I wonder why. Is it because you have to spend a couple of hundreds on your body, on yourself, right, to heal your body, and you feel like you're not worth the investment? I often wonder. So if I were to tell you that I have a treatment, I have a solution to help you boost your immune system so you stop getting sick, or to help you recover quicker and faster so you can go back to living the life that you so enjoy and love, would you be interested in spending $500 on yourself, $1,000 on yourself, $2,000 on yourself? I'm always thinking about what is it that I can do to help me feel my best quicker and faster because I don't have time. So IV vitamin therapy happens to be for busy people who values being healthy and staying healthy, people who decided that they are worth the investment and they will make whatever investment they need to on themselves. All right, this is the part we've been waiting for. Ozone it. You smell it already?
I smell it.
Wow.
And that's unusual for me.
You never smell anything.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I smelled it.
All right.
Uh-huh.
This must be a miracle. I'm just kidding.
Oh, but remember, I'm doing the cleanse.
Yeah, I smell it too.
I'm doing the
I like
cleanse
the smell.
and the lymphatic. This product that I'm taking for the lymphatic is kind of like.
Mm-hmm. And we also cater into your immune cells so that you don't, the cold and the flu and the viruses doesn't hold you down. Because we don't have time to be sick. I tell people IV vitamin therapy is for the busy people, the professionals. I love it. If you are sick and the Tamiflu is not working and your doctor is just dismissing you, or your doctor doesn't have a solution for you, or they have a pill for you, and you want to really cater to your cells, like you want to really help revive your cells, you want to infuse something deep at the cellular level, IV vitamin therapy is a must. Think about the time that you were sick or you know someone that ended up in the emergency room in the hospital. What is the first thing they did? They injected or they inserted a catheter or needle into that person's arm and infused normal saline, like plain water. And then they give that person a lot of water. Why do you think they do that? It's because they know healing takes place at the cellular level. So if you have the flu right now, you have a virus right now, you feel unwell, you have fatigue, you have sore throat, you have whatever manifesting into your body, disease, you must find an IV vitamin therapy that uses IV for healing purposes and go get you some IV. I would highly recommend that you don't wait until you get sick to do IVs and you incorporate this powerful treatment as a routine, as a monthly thing, bi-weekly thing, like just literally practice preventative medicine, proactive medicine, and don't wait until you get sick. Because once you wait, you get sick, and that's when you find yourself spending a lot more money. Okay. Us working around not experiencing symptoms doesn't mean like we are healthy. Because as a human being, we always wait for something to go wrong or something to break, and that's when we go to fix it. When it comes to medicine, it shouldn't be that way. You should actually look at ways to improve your health, okay? And then try to fix it. That's what I do. That's what I do. That's what I realize that's the rituals that I need to do, or that's the mindset that I have to have that's gonna keep me healthy. Because the world needs us. We have a bigger impact we need to make. And you being sick is not doing you a disservice. It's not also doing any of your family members or your loved one a disservice either. So I played with you. If you are one of the person that keeps getting sick over and over and over again, and the over-the-counter thing is not working for you, right? Or your doctor tells you to go to the emergency room, or the doctor says, hey, stay home, or you're just thinking that your body's gonna recover on its own, take again. Because as you get sick frequently, that decreases the performance of your body, decreases the performance of your cells, decreases the capability of bouncing back. The more sick that you get, you can get a cold once every 5 years, okay? Maybe there's a possibility you feel better quicker and faster. But if you find yourself getting an infection, a virus, a cold, or like gut issues, like whatever you face with on the regular, okay, and then every time you get sick, it's preventing you from functioning at your best, your body's sending you a signal, letting you know, hey, we need to pay attention here. Okay. And I keep telling my patients, and I'm telling anyone that's open to listen, right, have an open mind, that nowadays it is harder to get healthy. It is easier to get sick. But when you incorporate IV vitamin therapy, again, you have to make sure you go to a clinic that uses IV for healing purposes, not a spa, not a lounge. Why? Because the dosage and the potency might not be ideal for healing. Okay? So we have like loading dosages, And then we have like maintenance, like like 5 ml vitamin C is not the same as 50 ml, 100 ml vitamin C. And make sure when you go to this clinic, they have IVs and they tie to the conditions that this IV treat or manage or help with. Okay? IV vitamin therapy. It is food, nutrients you are injecting, infusing straight to your cells. We have billions of cells in our bodies. They are required to be healthy in order for us to function. If you don't feel well, your cells are literally struggling and they are sending you information. If you have a flu, you must have don't stay home. I understand you don't want to contaminate and pass the flu and transfer the virus to other people. But at the end of the day, a lot of us have flu viruses out there we're not even aware of. How did you get the flu? Somebody passed it on to you. So you have to be a little selfish and think of yourself, like, what do I need to do to heal my body? Because I have things to do. The world needs me. Life is beautiful. I can't afford to be sick. I can't, like, time wise, energy wise, financial wise, I need to bounce back. So find a clinic that can help you, that can actually cater to your needs. You can go to that clinic and get IV vitamin therapy before you get sick, during your sickness, and after you get sick. Okay? Please do not sleep on IV vitamin therapy. That's why many of us are still struggling till today. Many of us have symptoms that we've been dealing with for years. What is the brain fog, the headaches, the food sensitivities, the allergies? Your cells need to be flushed. They need to be catered. They need to be fed. And that's what this do. Okay? All right. So the big elephant in the room. Well, we have two elephants in the room. The first one is not covered by insurance, but if we're being honest, what does insurance cover? Insurance covers two things, a pill and a cut. This is not a pill. This is not a cut. It's not approved by the FDA. Okay, what does FDA approve? The FDA approves the medications. You Google the medications and look at all the side effects. So it's really up to you to do what's best for your body. Okay? But there are so many opportunities out there, so many options out there that you're not evaluating. And the last question is that, well, what do I need to do and pay money for this when I can just go to my local vitamin shop and get, I don't know, a pill, get a supplement? My friend, the supplement doesn't absorb the pill, does not absorb at the same rate as an IV. If you want to get better, quicker, and faster, IV vitamin therapy is your friend. You can take all the pills in the world. Many of us have digestive issues. We have gut issues. Let's be honest with ourselves. Are we actually healing our bodies when we have gut issues, malabsorption, when we are bloated and gassy most of the time? So when you take that pill, are you really absorbing the pill? Is it really boosting your immune system? Is it really penetrating your cells 100% of the time? When we have digestive issues, what is the acid reflux, right? GERD, whatever, milder or big, or gut infections, even if you don't have digestive issues, you must invest in yourself through IV vitamin therapy. Your health is the only thing we have on this planet. Okay? So you want to save money, you don't want to spend that money. Many of us have poor money mindset. I know I'm being harsh here, but I wish somebody spoke to me the way I'm speaking to you. I would have been healthier way faster, way longer. I didn't have to struggle like I did. So take this information as you please. As a doctor, it is my job to bring to you all the possibilities and options out there. Okay? Now, many people will say, well, do I need one bag? No, you don't need one bag. You need multiple. That's why you need to work with a clinic that uses IV vitamin therapies for healing. And that clinic is going to tell you exactly how many IVs you need to get. There are different IVs for different purposes. Okay? So here we have our Wellness Corner NJ clinic in New Jersey. Like when patients call, we usually tell them start with 6. You have a virus, do 6 antiviral, but you must also do other things at home too. Look at the diet, look at the food. Make sure you're eating something that has antioxidant in it, like immune boosting foods. Okay, vitamin D injections, B12 injections for energy. If you want to get rid of, heavy metals that's clogging up your cells, decreasing the performance of your cells and immune system, we have chelation therapy. There are so many things out there that you're not aware of that I would love for you to open your mind, open your eyes, open the possibility that the pill alone might not be the only thing we need to do. We need to get out of your comfort zone to really heal our bodies and be the best version of ourselves in the upcoming years. Now, I was gonna do a state of medicine, is that what you call it? And I was talking to my patients about how IV vitamin therapy is a must now in 2025 and beyond, because the thing that used to work, not working anymore, the thing that used to help us heal our bodies, now it's taking forever for that to happen. So therefore, if healing is part of your goal this year, and you have it on your goal, like for 2025 and 2026 and all the years to come, you must look outside of the box. Get out of your bubble, look outside of the box. What else do I need to do? Every single penny should go to you investing in yourself. Well, I know it might be, well, Dr. Genty, I have bills, I have this, I have that. It's a form of like expression, every single penny. Of course, every single penny, you need to allocate some of that to, shelter, food, right? And pleasure. But majority of your money should go to you, whether it's use that money to buy food or use that money for treatments that are supporting your body on your healing journey. All right, so IV vitamin therapy is a must. If you're sick right now, support your body. Give your body some TLC, infuse some nutrients into your body, some hydration, some vitamins, some amino acids, some electrolytes, some minerals, some immune components, some antioxidants, okay, in your body. If you're not doing IV vitamin therapy, I don't know. I mean, you might argue with me and be like, well, I was able to bounce back by taking, I don't know, echinacea or elderberry. That's great. But how often are you getting sick? Are you really feeling 100%? You can do all of that. I'm not saying don't do any of that. If you want to take the Tamiflu, go ahead and take the Tamiflu. But I know the Tamiflu alone will not get you there. If you want to take cold and flu virus syrups out there, please do that. But this is a must. This is a necessity for helping your body recover. And that's what I want you to be open-minded to. All right? So if you need help and you're in the state of New Jersey, in New York, you want to drive over, we use our IV vitamin therapies for healing purposes. Meaning that if I'm telling you that you're going to get energy after getting an Energizer IV from me, you will get energy. If you have a virus and I'm giving you antiviral IV, then best believe that after my recommended infusion, the frequency, the bags, then you should start seeing improvement and you should start feeling better. Because we actually use our nutrients, ingredients for healing purposes. Okay? All right, so state of the art, IV vitamin therapy is a must. Please don't sleep on IV vitamin therapy, because if you do, it's going to keep you stuck and sick and frustrated and anxious and depressed. And you're going to hit your body. And the world that you were the work that you were meant to do in this world, designed to do in this world, will not be without healing yourself and feeling your best. You cannot be present for yourself and all the people that need you by staying sick. You want to recover faster? You don't have time to be sick? You're a busy person? IV vitamin therapy must be part of your healing journey. All right? So that's it. I'll see you guys on the next video.